Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about the be verb. By end of this video you'll get the knowledge of how to use am, is, are. Let's start to learn. Write the short form. She is. She's. They are. They're. It is not. It's not. Or it isn't. That is. That's. I am not. I'm not. You are not. You're not. Or, you aren't. The weather is nice today. I am not tired. This bag is heavy. These bags are heavy. Look, there is Carol. My brother and I are good tennis players. Anne is at home. Her children are at school. My brother is a teacher. This house is not very big. The shops are not open today. My keys are in my bag. Jenny is 18 years old. You are not very tall. Children are playing outside. The news is very saddening. Benny and Mike are meeting tomorrow. I am very hopeful of the future. Juan's parents are very fond of him. Are these your glasses? Mr. and Mrs. Wallace are living the dream. My friends and I are going out after dinner. My friends don't know what I am going to do. My history book is very informative. I can't believe I am graduating next week. Are they Joe and Frank? The holiday season is coming. Douglas is the boss. Those cars and the train are my favorite toys.